Welcome. If you're tired of getting recommendation emails from Discord and want to keep your inbox clutter-free, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable recommendation email notifications on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. This process is quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. You can find it on your desktop, in your Start menu, or wherever you usually launch your apps. Once Discord is open, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture along with a small gear icon right next to it. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to enter your user settings. Now that you're in the user settings menu, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of different categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification options available to you. Within the notifications settings, scroll down until you reach the Email Notifications section. Here, you'll see several different types of email notifications that Discord can send you. Look specifically for the option called Recommendation Emails. This is the setting responsible for sending you suggestions, updates, and other promotional content directly to your email. To stop receiving these emails, simply toggle off the switch next to Recommendation Emails. Once you do this, Discord will no longer send you those recommendation emails, helping you keep your inbox neat and focused on what matters most to you. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled recommendation email notifications on Discord for PC. You'll still receive important updates and notifications within the app itself, so you won't miss out on anything crucial. But your email will stay free from unnecessary suggestions and promotions. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to tidy up their inbox. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner Discord experience.